we can do a little bit more. Maybe we can speak up. Maybe we can continue to hate it in our hearts, this munkar, this evil, and to be present with our ummah in its difficult time and to not disappear. Say, Ya Allah, ihdina as-sirat al-mustaqim. Guide me to the straight path on an individual level. I don't want to be a munafiq in my relationship as it relates to you. لِمَا تَقُولُونَ مَا لَا تَفْعَلُونَ. I don't want people to think I'm a better Muslim than I actually am in my private life. I want to actually be sadiq with you, truthful in that relationship to you. And then when it comes to this ummah, the ummah has a fever right now. The ummah is in pain right now. Be present, dear brothers and sisters. Do not divide the ranks. Do not cause dissension. Do not cause fitna. Do not poison. And do your part. And ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to expand your part and to show you your next step along the way.